Hello friends, welcome to the show by Rishi once again. Well, today I am going to explain you how exactly to do a Gomukhasana and what exactly are its benefits. Well, before I start how exactly to do this asana, let me say you something about this asana. Well, what do you mean by Gomukhasana? Well, go means it is called as cow, okay, and whereas Mukha means it is called as a face or you can say head, okay, and whereas asana means it is called as posture or a pose, okay. So at the end of the day it is called a cow faced pose or a cow faced posture, okay. So let us do that. So initially what you need to do is you got to put your legs in such a way that you can see in such a way that the left leg's thighs, okay, the left leg thighs should be on right leg calves, okay, and similarly the left leg calves should be on the right leg thighs in this way you can see, okay, in this way opposite to each other, okay. Now try to drag it back in this way, okay. The body has to be erect. Now what you need to do is you got to hold your both the hands in such a way that the hand should be around your neck, okay, in this way. Try to bend your elbows, the body has to be erect. Now try to get back from around your upper back, okay, get from around the upper back and the right hand around your neck region, okay. Now try to hold both of your hands in such a way that the right hand shoulder has to be in vertical position. It shouldn't be in this way, okay, it should be in this way, okay. Try to hold down the left hand with the help of the right hand in this way, okay. Now try to have a normal breathing, okay. Close your eyes. Well, this pose actually resembles like a cow pose, okay. That's why it is called as a cow faced posture or you can say a cow faced pose, okay. So let me show you from the other way how exactly to hold your hands, okay. So the simple thing is try to put your legs crossly oppositely to each other, okay. Now try to hold on your both of your hands in this way. You can see my left hand is right around or right behind the upper back, okay. Try to hold on the left hand with the help of the fingers of the right hand, okay. The right hand elbow should be in vertical, it shouldn't be in this way, okay. You can see the body has to be erect, you can see, okay. Try to hold on for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Close your eyes and have a normal breathe, okay. Hold on, okay. So guys, this is the way actually you are going to do the Gomukhasana. Well, this asana can also be done in Vajrasana, okay. You can also be in Vajrasana if you feel little bit difficult in the earlier position, okay. Try to be in Vajrasana and try to hold on your hands, both the hands in this way, okay, in this way. You can see in this way, okay. So guys, once again I will repeat you how exactly to do this asana. So that is, try to put your left leg or the right leg one over the other oppositely each other, okay. Try to drag the one leg, okay, to the maximum, okay, and the position has to be in such a way that left leg thighs should be on right leg calves and left leg calves should be on right leg thighs, okay. Body has to be erect. Hold on both of your hands such that the left hand should be around your upper back and whereas the right hand should be around your neck region, okay, and it should be in vertical, okay. try to hold on. Try to hold on. Your head position has to be still in little bit upward direction. Okay, try to hold on. Okay, so guys, now let me show you what exactly are the benefits of the Gomukhasana. Well, the major benefits of the Gomukhasana are it actually stretches the several parts of the body. Okay, it stretches your arms. Okay, it stretches your, it strengthens your wrists. Okay, it strengthens your shoulders. It strengthens your joints. Okay, it stretches your hips. It stretches your thighs. Okay, it stretches your legs also. Muscles of the legs will be also strengthened. Okay, so and it tones up the abdominal organs. Okay, so these are the major benefits you are going to get from this asana. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have understood how exactly to do this asana. So try to concentrate very well while doing this asana. So meet you in the next video. For now, namaste.